You forgot you're made of fire, that your name echoes in the sky. Told to shrink so you'd survive, but shrinking never let you fly. You were woven from the night, stardust sitting in your spine, power in your quiet light, whole galaxies in your mind. You were never small, just unseen, a cosmic force wrapped in a dream. Can't erase what the stars design. You're more than they let you believe. You're more than they let you believe. They tried to bury your light in silence, taught you fear was strength in skies, but your power don't need violence, it just needs space to rise. You walk like prayer in motion, grace steady in your bones. They look but they don't notice, you're a temple they've never known. They can't hold what's infinite, can't gauge what's made of light. Your truth was never hidden, just waiting for the right time. Now you're walking and you know it, no more dimming just to please. Every step a constellation, you were always meant to lead. Shine on, you were born of stars.